happy Friday the 13th. They should really do something for Friday the 13th. It should be like a Friday the 13th party. It should be like a weird Halloween thing. Everybody goes, there's like a party, everybody wears hockey mask. You know, something fun. We need more fun little holiday type of things. It'll be like a St. Patrick's Day type of thing. Party, you dress up like, it's like a second Halloween. That'd be kind of cool. A lot of cast members are getting busy. They're like, bye everybody, thanks for visiting. Oh, I can't wait to go home. Yeah, that's weird. That's weird to hear that from Disney cast members. That was 2 different people I was imitating. Anyways, so here we go, Rafiki's Planet Watch. The question is, are they gonna change this sign? I think they would. There's a lot of Rafiki stuff around here. Open your eyes to the world around. I'll tell you what I think they're gonna do. I think they are gonna remove that Rafiki's Planet Watch sign and that statue there, and hopefully they keep it in storage so one day they have the Animal Kingdom attraction here. I mean, hopefully they keep the Rafiki stuff in storage so one day they will have the Lion King attraction here. I think what they're gonna do is put like a Bingo and Bluey artwork on this sign, and I don't know exactly what it's gonna say. Maybe I'll say like, meet Bingo and Bluey in Australia, take the train or something like that. I don't know. But the way the artwork's gonna look for Bingo and Bluey is gonna look like this Mickey Mouse drawing here. So it kind of blends into the theming here. So you'll see a Bingo and Bluey back there doing like with this type of artwork. And yeah, and it's gonna be so popular when this opens. There's gonna be lines to get on the train. It's gonna be so popular. Did you ever think you may enjoy a sausage? Do you think this statue will still be here, this Rafiki statue? Or they're just gonna replace it with one of Bluey's friends? Okay, Rafiki, you should go this way? Where are you gonna be going? Yeah, these signs are everywhere. Please pardon our appearance. We had a visit from Jack Frost. We are in the process of replacing this area for your future enjoyment. The Disney Gardener. Dead trees from the freeze. Some survived, some died. February 23rd. This building, the animals, the petting zoo area, the train, everything will stop operating. And this area right here will become a meet and greet for Bluey and his friend and his friends and Bingo and his brother Bingo and everybody. I don't know much about Bluey, but that's what I know. And it's gonna be like a fun, I think it's gonna be like a Bluey party and some games they're gonna be doing there. So will they change this front area, take out all these animals and make it look like more Australian animals? I think they will, because this has been here since opening day. And it doesn't even look, it looks like it's faded already. It's not brightly colored anymore. So I'm 90% sure they're gonna remove this and put something like Bluey's name really big there, and they're gonna put like Bluey background and everything right there. In the future, it could be an official land, and just call it Australia. And, you know, in the future, they could expand on this area and actually put more things here, not just Bluey's world here, but maybe something else. So you take the train to go to Australia, which doesn't make sense. We go from Africa to Australia, crossing the ocean, but who knows? Look how some of the tiles have already been, they came off already. I wish I could take one of these off. I wish there was a loose one here. They're still stuck in there. Over here too, some of these tiles that came off. So, yeah, so I expect all this painting to be gone. All this will be gone. We can probably remove this wall here, make it more open. And here would be like Bluey's house, and all this will be gone. Basically seeing this for the last time. I always wanted to do this.
Now for the other part. Take this, pull this down.
Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'll make it here before it closes and do this. I hope they move this to the. Oh. Maybe they'll move this animation experience to the Hollywood Studios. That sounds like a.
Then we'll have a third line.
Like a plan.
It's going to be the counter shade. So we'll pull this down as well.
So maybe I'll still get a chance to do that, even if I miss this one. Oh man, a lot of good artists here. All these good artists. Wow.
So we're going to have our character hanging from the top, like he's saying hello. Maybe he's saying hello to the main character in the film. Do anybody know who's the main character?
Yeah, I know, right?
Mowgli, yeah.
I think a lot of this area could just be moved. This is, nobody needs to look at this stuff anymore. Nothing actually happens in this anyways. Every time I come here, there's nobody working in here. And I came here a lot. Nobody's actually going to be doing surgery here during the daytime. Or during, they'll probably pull a curtain down.
What? Oh, yeah.
Might be a prop rooms. Oh, look, it's the frog from Princess and the Frog.
But as they metamorphosize, they absorb the gills back into their necks, and they have fire.
Wow. That would be enough to break the constrictor's reflexes.
Oh, look at this spider. So what kind of Australian animals would they have to bring in here? Oh, wow. See those ants in Indiana Jones and the Crystal Skull? They're not that far away. I know they were like a little bit bigger than that, but it's not too crazy. They'll be giant ants.
There he is. See him? He's right there.
Brown biscuit. Low starch primate stick. I'm just gonna like walk around, record as much as I can, because they're gonna be changing a lot of things, and I want to be able to come back and look at this video. There's a lot of room back here.
Fluffy? Alright. Someone saw their dog, they named this Fluffy. Alright. So much for this young artist drawn on air here around club for this beautiful masterpiece. This is very durable, and I really want to show this off to everybody. So put the hands together for
Okay, so Australian animals. You got a fallow deer, a Tasmanian devil. That would be cool if they had a Tasmanian devil here. A koala will also be cool. A dingo. I doubt they're gonna have a dingo, but they could. A red deer, a emu, a European rabbit, a green tea turtle, a mulgara, they probably will have that. A platypus, a short beak, a cheetah, a wandering albatross, saltwater crocodile, dolphin, black flying fox. This looks like a bat. What do they mean to say bat? Black flying bat. And a kangaroo. What I expect them to have in here? Maybe a koala, Tasmanian devil, a rabbit, maybe an emu, maybe some of this, maybe the bat, but nothing. Oh, it would be really cool if they had a kangaroo, but I don't know if they'll ever have that. But nothing here that you're going to be able to pet anymore. Now, take one last look at the petting zoo. This will be maybe something else, but you cannot pet it. It'll probably be a gated thing. Exit only. Let's go this way. Hello.
Only pet them on their sides and their backs, no feeding.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Only pet them on their sides and their back, not their head. There's a donkey. It looks frozen. Oh, oh. Oh man, this one keeps dancing. There he goes. Oh. This is entertaining today. Look at this standoff. Do it again. There they go again. These two are really going at it. Look at that. Whoa. This looks like dead branches in my backyard. That's what they eat. But they're really going at it. Ooh. Ooh, a lot of fighting going on here. I've never seen them so active. Usually they're just laying around. Ooh.
Bluey, did you see that one pee?
Okay, one more stop. We're gonna go check out the Encanto area. You can see the crane from right here. See that crane? Right there. The people that don't know, Florida had a freeze last week, which was, you know, in the 30s, I think it was. And so a lot of trees, a lot of these tropical trees couldn't handle it. And so a lot of trees died. But it was cool. I like having cold weather for a week or so, 2 weeks. Nice cold weather. Wow, you can really see how massive the Kanto building is now. I don't even know how they're gonna camouflage it from this this view. So big. And they're gonna put like a little Kanto house in front of it. I can see the Kanto house starting to form, but the show building it's massive. It's big, a lot bigger than I expected. I expected it to be farther back. Oh, wow. And they're working fast. Should see if I could get any better views. Usually that's the best view you could get. Found another spot here. You can see a little bit closer the big building. Look at the American flag on top of that shorter building. Looks like the casita area, I'm thinking. It looks like they're done with working today. Don't hear anything going on. Let's see what I got. You can kind of peek over here. Well, here the fence is low. You see a lot of it through here. They're going to be building, this is the Tropical Americas area here in Animal Kingdom where the Encanto ride will be, and Indiana Jones attraction, and a carousel. On demolishing that one little area there where the meet and greet was. Looks like they're already working on that. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao. I am just leaving the Disney World area, of course, and this is the traffic. But look at this truck up here. This is what caught my eye. Some girl was pissed. Liar, cheater, cheater. Look at that. That is funny.